What up, my YouTube? It's your boy, the official, and we're back with another video. It's been a long time, but we're finally here. We're back on the YouTube. If you saw by the thumbnail and the title, you already know what's happening in today's video. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. YouTube's your boy, the official, and we are back with another video. In the background, it is the almighty 330i, and we have a present right here, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you what that in a minute, but like I must start by saying we are so close to reaching 4,000. We may be like I don't even know the number, but like we're close to reaching 4,000. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and like the video as per usual, and yeah, just share this to your friend because it's going to be a very nice year for us. Things are going according to plan. So yeah, so if you guys didn't know, this thing right here is my gasket set for the engine. So as I might have told you guys, we're having cooling problems and leaking problems on the 330. So with that being said, that's going to be sorted out very soon, maybe next week, because it is a long weekend starting from tomorrow. So yeah, things are going according to plan and they're looking nice, I wouldn't be lying. So yeah, and that was the 17th of April, which means things were definitely not going according to plan. From long weekend after long weekend, today turning into weeks, and weeks turning into months, in search of a new mechanic to get my baby running perfect again. I think we just found the guy. Check this.
I love you six. I love you six. I love you six. I love you six.
Supersonic. So stop putting stress. So it's such a little go. I get you know. My diamonds flash. I look cool. I give you love. She got some fun. Baby, this year I know. Zodiac, I'm just right. My span for the long. So some pieces on my.
Yeah.
You should never add blood or whatever, you know. You shouldn't add water or add oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, immediately, you know. So it means it's leaking somewhere. The water is leaking somewhere. And mostly with these cars, with their age, the rubbers, they become hard and then they break.
They had a break.
Yeah.
A few months ago we had the same issue.
Yeah,
So if
so
you
they
can check in the
become-
boot, there's pipes as well.
Yeah.
They become hard and then they break. So you know, tinta here and there so that we don't have any water leaks. And then next time when we do the
Yeah.
we fix the oil leaks, do the oil pull stand, and then from there.
Okay.
And then after a while we'll
I
do.
need to also get myself a beer.
Then after a while we will change from that hard tappet cover to the
The
black
plastic one, yeah.
one. Performance will be much better and fuel saving too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because with these aluminium ones, the problem is with the manifold. It takes oil from the engine and puts it in.
Ish.
You know,
Yeah.
And then
24 hours later.
Yo, I just got off the phone with the mechanic. He said that the car is all done and ready. He is going to bring it back to the house. Yeah, so we're just going to wait and see. When it comes, I'll pick up the camera again. And yeah. The Beamer's back, guys. Yeah.
you need to sort it out.
Oh, you even changed this?
Yeah, I made it nice for you.
Yeah.
Made it nice for you, my guys. Hey.
Okay.
So as we continue to work on it, it's gonna look much cleaner.
Okay. Yeah, I can see. Yo. From the way it left and the way it comes back, yeah.
I love my work.
No.
You know, this is passion, man.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the next step now is for us to sort of clack.
Yeah.
So, I thought we're gonna break the bank a little bit.
Ish. Oh, yeah. It's time to start saving. Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to start saving.
Hey, but at least now.
Otherwise, now no overheating, no mixing of oil and water, none of that crap.
From a scale from 1 to 10, how bad was it?
8.
8. Yo. Because you know,
Because the next thing, it was gonna shy head.
oh,
Yeah.
because you know when we
Then my
went
shy
to,
head,
it's gone.
gone, cuz.
Because we went to Mzamo the last time, then you opened this thing, you said you saw a bit of moisture
Here, like here.
on the top, yeah.
Yeah. No, it does. But now you see it's clean.
Yeah, okay.
No, but it's gonna look nice.
We can already see,
All this chakara here, all these screws here, they will go away.
Okay.
It's just gonna clip like original.
Original. Okay. Happy.
So now the only issue now is if we fix that,
Gonna be very happy
last
engine.
time I was wanted to, we were gonna lose this car.
And you know the thing is, they tell you that no, it's fine, just bring it back next time. They do the same thing, then breaks.
I mean, I want like right now we did the cooling system. We're done with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna jump to the clack.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so we are back in business. As you can see, the guy is working, so looks crazy now. And yeah, he cleaned the tappet cover, did everything as he said he was. So yeah, so guys, we just got the car back, and right now I was thinking maybe we do like a little POV test drive to see if everything is alright. So yeah, let's get into it. So